If you're facing extreme high CPU usage and unbearable fan noise after your VBIOS update, you're not alone, and we're fixing it right now. This common CPU bottleneck can severely impact your system, but these direct steps will restore your PC's peace and performance. First, update your GPU drivers. Outdated drivers after a VBIOS change often create conflicts, forcing your CPU to overwork. A clean install removes problematic files. If that doesn't clear the error, the issue stems deeper in power management. Adjusting your power plan to balanced or high performance helps regulate CPU activity, preventing unnecessary spikes. Still experiencing issues? Check your VBIOS settings directly. Loading optimized defaults in your BIOS clears incorrect configurations from the update, bringing stability back. Finally, if the problem persists, scan for system file corruption and malware. Hidden processes or damaged files silently consume CPU resources, leading to high usage and loud fans. Eliminating these ensures your system runs quietly,